Difference between human and machine intelligence. Humans have been creating smart machines for quite a long time. But even then, there are certain differences that sets human intelligence apart from artificial intelligence. To understand artificial intelligence, we need to understand the difference between machine intelligence and human intelligence. Serial number: Human intelligence, machine intelligence. 1. Humans are naturally intelligent. Machines' intelligence is created by the humans. 2. The intelligence level of a human keeps varying with age. Machines' intelligence level keeps on growing with time, never having a peak or any descent. 3. Humans can adapt to changes easily. Machine takes more time to respond to unusual or different situations. 4. Humans learn from past experiences, exploring ideas and their mistakes. Machines learn from information provided to them and perform as they are programmed. 5. Data processing speed is slower in human beings. Machines can process huge volumes of data quickly. 6. Humans may make mistakes as per their capabilities and circumstances. Since machines lack emotions, they are capable to produce more accurate results. 7. Humans are independent and need no support to take action. Machines need humans for guidance. Their creativity is very limited.